Hello and welcome. This is very important question for our practice, and what it says: update the existing deployment Neokloud app deployment, adding a co-located container named sidecar using the busybox stable image to the existing pod. The new co-located container has to run the following command, particularly this, and use a volume mounted at the warlock to the available co-located container. Earlier, this is a simple question, but doubt arises when after the 1.29, if I search sidecar, then you will find here setting restart policy always make this is setting restart policy always make this is a sidecar container. So this is a question of doubt, but in if in examination or somewhere, if you need not mention explicitly that it's use any type of sidecar or something sidecar, then it's you should use a simple add a simple container, and that would be used as a sidecar. So I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here. So everything is ready. So first, kgate nodes. This should be your first command. First is you should switch the context, otherwise you will get a 0 marks.
Running kubectl before SSH is like calling your girlfriend by your ex's name. One small mistake, huge consequences. So be in right context by following instruction mentioned in question, not you.
Like trying on others' girlfriend. So kgate nodes -o wide. So do it once. I know it's something messy, but you do have a very little window, so practice in a very little window.
Your dreams are big, but the exam terminal window is not. Practice in a small window. Where did my YAML go? Where did my pod go? Where did my confidence go?
So kgate deployment. So Neokloud deployment is in the default namespace, so very good. So kgate pods, so pod is also running. So we need to edit the deployment. So if you edit directly, then it would be very challenging because something goes wrong and everything is messed up. So what I will do, I will take a backup. And I'll take a backup, and I'll take a 2 time. One is touch, one is not touch.
Neokloud law of backup. The one time you skip the backup, that's the exact day you'll need it.
And I'll cat both backup so that I'm double sure that it's working. A simple steps save you a lot. So tiny step, do it tiny step, and then go ahead. Now I'll just edit deployment. Okay, and now so you need to go to the particular container here. So here we'll start editing. So I'll press I, and here we'll add one of the container. So this is the first container, so I'll place a second container here. Name is sidecar, and then command is just copy this command, paste it here.
A classic example of how punctuation can completely change meaning. Small typos can completely change meaning. Woman without her man is nothing. Same words, tiny changes matter. A mistake can change the meaning. Tiny typo, big problem.
And make sure that you do not have any spaces here. And then I forgot image here, so I'll just here image is equal to busybox stable, paste. And one of the most important thing is volume mount. So you need to place volume in both volume mount. So what I will do, I'll just copy this volume mounts, copy, and I'll paste it here. And similarly, this volume share we require in the sidecar volume mounts. So what I will do, I'll press escape from the insert. I'll use visual box, Control V or V. So I'll just copy. So press Y, and where you want to paste, so I'll want to place here. So press P. So it is very easy to paste here. So before pressing, you should edit it. So no need to edit 2 times. So I'll write it log volume. This should be stream with this log volume, and this is, you can say, var/log. And now you need a so you need require volume. So here copy this, and you need to paste it here before the DNS policy. And make sure this it should match, because indentation is much required. If so, I feel everything is right, so I'll just WQ. If anything wrong, it will be in the temporary. So I think I had made some mistakes here. I'll log volume WQ error and edit it. So kgate pods, so it's restart and running, so it's edited perfectly fine. So kgate pods, k describe deployment. So if you see here, sidecar is appearing, and here this is appearing, and gate pods wide, so it's running. Both are container is ready. So k describe pod Neokloud. So you'll find it here that it is this is a sidecar, and here the main running, and you can say running. So that's it. And second thing, control L, you can edit it with init container. So I'll just edit with one of more container. So I'll just copy this as a init container section, and I'll just paste it here. We don't want to do any changes. We just I'm just same here, only name is I'm just changing sidecar, and this is init. You should write this name only if you want to do and process like this, but I don't recommend this. I recommend, if it is not especially asked, then you don't go for that. Just this edit feels simple. By looking at the window, it feels simple, but at the time of examination, it is a very difficult, believe me. And here volume mounts, log file, log volume, and here var log /log. Okay, so this is it. First you edit, and then volume also you need to mention, because if I am doing it second time, so I had done place already there, but you need to place it here also. You should give it here also. So just WQ line number 61, did not find hyphen indicator. So I escape set number, so I'll go to the line number 61. For here I need to busy box. One indentation I think is needed, so just WQ, and yes, it is edited. So now you can find it, 3 pods are there. It could be different error, but you can find it there. So I'm just giving this. So one is error. So k logs new, just k describe pods new crop 52. Restarting failed container sidecar in by default. So k edit deployment. Here what is there? I think this is because this is what we already done, this sidecar container. What I want to do, I want to just remove this first sidecar container. Yes, that is a problem. So means actually I demonstrate this so that you can understand how to edit both. So you can directly just put this section you can edit, or you can just edit with this type. But here main thing that you need to put volumes and volume mounts. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in a next important video. And thank you so much for your love and support.